Having a job offer for you where you have to just use your phone laptop to do this work, and easily per month per week you can earn 15 to 30,000 rupee. For that you have to just give your ID proof, sign the contract agreement. It's a completely a legal work where you have to just do a data entry form filling work in your part-time full-time work. For anyone, student, housewife, anyone can do this work easily by sitting in their home or from anywhere at any time whenever you get a free time in 24 hours. Okay, and it's a completely a legal work without investment. So many people start the work, but later on they came to know that due to any reason they are not able to complete the work. They have to pay the penalty or money on the name of cancellation of an agreement or QC report fail. Otherwise legal action, penalty, court case will be action will be taken against them. Many people receiving a legal notice to their address or to their mail ID or WhatsApp, or getting a call from any person as an advocate or from legal department. In that situation, what you have to do, firstly understand that they people are not going to give you any money. All these type of jobs are not legal. They are having a no identity. They just give you the job offer to extort the money from you, and later on due to whatever reason they will say and tell that you have to pay. If you don't pay, legal action, court case, legal notice will be dispatched to your given address. In case you are also getting any legal notice, threatening message, email from any person, no need to worry, no need to pay them. We are here to help you. Just WhatsApp us whatever notice message you are getting, so that we can guide you in a proper way that will help you to save your time and money, and you don't have to worry about paying any money to them or getting any legal action or any court case, police case will be happen. So just WhatsApp us, like the video, share it, and please subscribe the channel also.